Okay, Milechka, put your feet flat. Our first activity today. You're gonna play a note on the piano, which I tell you, and then you're gonna write it down. And I'll tell you which clef, and sit in the middle. And let's put your reindeer here. And depending on the treble or bass clef, that's what you're gonna use your left or right hand, okay? Treble clef, note E. No, where's middle C?
C, D, E.
Where's middle C?
Middle C.
No,
Middle
C.
C.
Yes. Okay, here. So where's E? And what line does it live on? Do you remember?
It lives on this because it's on the
First line. Yes. Don't do it too big. Okay, let's play bass clef, note B. Where's middle C?
C.
Middle C.
Middle C.
Yes.
C, B.
Good. Let's write it. Is it in the treble clef or bass clef?
Bass clef.
Very good. Treble clef, note G.
G.
Treble clef. Treble clef, note G.
Note G.
Look here. Treble clef, note G. Okay.
I know where that note is.
Where? Excellent. Bass clef, note E. Bass clef.
That one.
Is it E?
E. Bass clef. E.
Good. Where does it live in the bass stuff? Who's the character?
Right here.
Who's the character? E.
E.
What is the character for E?
Eagle.
No, eagle lives right here.
In treble.
Who's the character for bass E? Who does it live next to? Who does it live next to?
Frederick.
Frederick. So what's his name?
Edgar.
Edgar. Where's Edgar's note?
Right here.
So does he live above or below Prince Frederick?
Below.
Below. Can you find the line? What line Prince Frederick is on?
This line.
Good. So what below would be like? Excellent. And now we go with you to Edgar. Welcome, Edgar song.
Well,
You didn't prepare two hands.
well,
Jellies. Singing.
grandstand just below Prince
Great job. And I loved your singing. You were singing just in tune. That's a great job. The only thing, piano sounded like that. Can you make it sing? We'll do just once more and try to make it sing. So it's piano actually has a very beautiful voice. Let's try to get this voice
like
out.
this.
No, we can go deeper. Try by yourself. Sing, sing, drink. That was harsh. it singing or not? Did it sing? Is it singing? Listen, ask yourself, does it sing? Did it sing? Very good job. We'll finish it today when we play together. You see, okay? Let's do a friendship song.
Wait, how does the song go?
Riding horses, fencing swords, never feeling lost or bored. 1, 2, 3. R2, 3. Good 2, 3. Friends 2, 3. Singing songs together. Beautiful. Beautiful job. And now we'll review the one we played with you without music, and then we'll go to the grand piano.
This one?
I need you to play it with really beautiful hand and with very long and deep sound, like down. Play down. No, not like that, sweetie. We hold our weight. We support our weight on our finger. No, your hand is in the fist. Why your hand is in the fist? Good. Let's go to the grand piano. Look, they are here reading for you. Ready? With me together. Ready? Open your fingers a little bit. Good. And now we are going to learn one more line. Let him see. See. Right hand. First line note. What's this note? E, F. Again. C, E, F. Continue. Same pattern. B, D, E, A, C, D, E, E. Let's do this with me. C, E. Ready? C, E, F, B, D, E. Next, A.